Hello guys, today I'm gonna do a review for this flashlight. And it just showed up today. I ordered this one on eBay, and it's called the Imalent DX80 Flashlight. As you can see in the front, it has total 8 Gen 2 chips. It's really high technology chip made by US, and it's super bright. Here's the user's menu. Middle high 5,000 lumens, middle 1500 lumens, middle low 500 lumens, low 120 lumens. So when you go to the turbo mode, it can be super bright. It can up to 32,000 lumens. So you can imagine use this one at night, it can light up the whole large area. So later I'm gonna do a test later tonight, see how this thing works. But right now I'm gonna just check everything for this flashlight, and also I need to charge the flashlight. Here's the box. It's not a big box, you know. It's a pretty simple box, but this flashlight is really heavy duty. It's really heavy. It has a really good feel when you carry it, and it's right fit for my hand. Okay, so now I'm gonna show the detail of this flashlight. So see how is it. So as you can see, this is the front. It has a really decent material in the front, and as you can see, the total 8 Gen 2 chips. I think it's LED Generation 2 LED chips. Yeah, and it's really bright when you light it up. I think here, after you open this, I think can charge the battery through here. Okay, and here supposed to be the button, and here's also the switch. You can switch the different mode. Like the earlier I mentioned, there's a total 6 different kind of mode. Switch between low, medium, middle low, middle high, high, and the turbo. Now I'm gonna open this flashlight. I believe here, when you open it, as you can see, this is the battery, where battery is. Also this chip, I think this chip is to block the battery connect with the front of the front part. So once you remove this chip, you can charge the battery, also make it work. So later I'm gonna remove this chip and then start to charge this battery. And also this bottom part, I think it's fixed. I'm not sure. I think the bottom part is fixed. I don't know if you can remove this from this side. Yeah, I don't know if you can remove this part from the battery. I will just leave it. For now. I think that's about it. And there also a little ring here. I think you can attach this one to here. Let me do it. I think just do it like this. Like this. Okay, I think that's it. Let's put it back, please. And this is the charger. This is the charger. So once you remove this chip, remove the chip. I think it's a good idea to keep it. So you know, if later you don't want to continue using this flashlight, you can put a chip back here, so it can protect the battery. You know. Okay, so I'm gonna put this one back on. There you go. So now it shows 120. Oh, it's pretty cool. You know, there's a little screen here, and which is gonna it show the number. It show the mode. You know, you can read from here how many lumens. So first click. So it shows 500 lumens. So which is the middle low, and then click one more time. 1,500 lumens, and one more time, 5,000 lumens, and then click one more time, 13,000 lumens. Okay, this is 13,000 lumens. Oh, it's already super bright now, even at daytime, you can tell. And if you double click, it's gonna up to the highest mode, which is turbo mode, is 32,000 lumens. So let me double click. Holy moly, 32,000. Super bright. Super bright. You can't even see anything. You can tell it's super bright. So this is the turbo mode, 32,000. One more click, it'll go back to the low mode. I think, yeah, total 6 different mode. You want to turn off the flashlight, hold it here for like 1 second, it'll turn off. Alright guys, so I'm gonna charge the flashlight. Okay, so now I'm gonna charge my flashlight. So you just basically just open this charging cord, and then plug this one to here, okay? So just easily open this, and then plug it here. I kind of wonder, is there a way I can remove this thing? Probably not. Mostly, no, sorry. So just open here and plug it in. Make sure it's the plug tight. See, plug it all the way in like this. See, as you can see, when it's charging, there's a tiny screen here. It shows it's charging. There's a little battery icon here. So let's wait for it to fully charged, and then we're gonna do some tests later tonight. Hi guys, it's really dark outside, so I'm gonna test my flashlight in my backyard and see how bright it is. Here we go. Okay, so right now I'm gonna keep pressing this mode, this lock mode. So it's unlocked. It's like you press for 3 seconds, it's gonna unlock. See? Okay, it's unlocked now. And now, just simple click on the button, and now it shows the 120 lumens. This is the light, 120 lumens. And now, click. This is the 500 lumens. 500. You can face, yeah, 500 lumens. Okay. And now, click one more. 1,500 lumens. It's pretty bright already. And this is not even high mode yet. Okay. And next, 5,000 lumens. Oh my God. It's really bright. It's gonna freak out the neighbors. I'm sorry, it's gonna freak out the neighbors. But yeah. And then 13,000 lumens. This is the high mode. 13,000. It's really bright. As you can see, it's really bright. It feels like it's daytime. Feel like you're in the daytime. Okay. And now I'm gonna double click. That's the turbo mode. 32,000. 32,000.
That's enough. They're gonna report us.
Okay. All right, guys. So now I'm gonna go back to the low mode. And then, yep, that's about it. Hi guys, I'm back. As you can see just now in my backyard, it's super bright. And it's amazing. I mean, honestly, it's amazing. And I think it's the most brightest light I've ever seen. And you know, it's totally blow my mind. Well, here it is. This is the Imalent DX80 Flashlight. It's a beast, and you know, it's worth you to have it, and it's gonna help you a lot. You know, if you want to go hunt, you want to search in the dark, this is a good choice. And actually, I bought this one on eBay. It's only $250. It's on the discount, so it's also a good price for this one. Anyway, hope you guys enjoy watching my video, and thank you.